Welcome to the Passive Installer video series. In this video, we will be covering how to install the Passiv Hub. Before you begin, you will need to use RS485 twisted pair screened cable to connect to the hub. We also recommend using ferrules to ensure secure connections and having a Wago screwdriver to hand. There are a number of factors to consider when deciding where to install the hub. The hub requires a 230-volt AC main socket for its power supply. You will also need to run an RS485 cable between the hub, programmer, and heat pump. In order for the user to use the Passiv app, the hub also requires an Ethernet connection to the household broadband router. The hub is mounted onto a supplied wall bracket. Fix the bracket either straight to the wall or a one-gang pattress box using the screws provided. On the back of the hub, locate the A and B connectors. Fit the RS485 twisted pair screened cable to these connectors using ferrules. Make a note of which core is connected to which connector. This should be consistent across all RS485 device connections. Attach the Passiv Hub to the wall bracket and connect to the main socket power supply using the provided cable. The plug should be fitted with a Do Not Turn Off label to make clear to the user that the hub must remain powered in order for their heating to operate. If the household has a broadband router, connect the supplied Ethernet cable from the router to the RJ45 port on the bottom of the hub. If not, leave the supplied cable connected to the hub. The Passiv Hub is now installed. See our other installer videos for guides on installing the Passiv Programmer and Thermostat. To find out more about the Passiv Smart Thermostat, visit our website at passivuk.com. Passiv, the smart way to control your heat pump.